What's good, family? It's me, Game Boy, back with a new video. Today, we're going to be talking about 3 reasons why black people need to stop using the N-word. Number one, the definition of the N-word is a contemptuous term used to describe a brown or dark-skinned person. Contemptuous is another word for offensive. So by definition, it doesn't matter if it has an ER at the end or an A at the end. The definition of the N-word is an offensive term used to describe a black person. Also, the history behind the N-word is no secret. We all know that black people was getting hung, lynched, castrated, separated from their families, oppressed, you know, all while white people was calling us the N-word. So the history behind the N-word and the definition of it is offensive. Number two, the number one excuse why other races use the N-word is that black people use it. The majority of the black people that use it are indoctrinated. They not woke. Any woke person wouldn't use the N-word. And rappers that use the N-word are paid by our, oppressors, the rich white men, to use that word. So really, that's not even really a good definition, but more black people use the N-word than black people that don't use the N-word. So people need to start understanding the history behind that word and stop using it, because like other races is using it. Tekashi 6ix9ine, famous rapper, and he Mexican, and he used the N-word in his song Gunmo and plenty of other songs. He's a Mexican using the N-word. It don't make no sense. Number three, and this is like the kicker, really, the most, jaw-dropping in my opinion. Other people who use the N-word, like other races who use the N-word around black people, like let's say you got like 3 white people and 1 black guy. The white people will use the N-word around that black guy just to like make themselves feel superior. Anytime somebody who not black use the N-word, especially if they use it around black people, they feel like they cool, or they feel like they getting away with something, so you shouldn't even let them use the N-word around you. If you hear anybody saying the N-word around you, if they black, you should correct them, let them know the history, make sure they know the history behind it. If they don't care, then they not woke, they really not with the program. So really ain't nothing you could do to save them. They're gonna be obliterated when the ancestors come. But if like somebody who's not black using the N-word around you, you should definitely correct them. Like if it's on the street, me personally, it's on sight. If somebody who not black using the N-word around me, and we not like at work or something, but if you at work or at school or whatever and you hear somebody who not black use the N-word, you should correct them and let them know like you ain't no punk, you ain't afraid to go there with them, like tell them like don't use that word around me, period. That's what I do. But this was just a quick video on 3 reasons why black people need to stop using the N-word, because as long as they using the N-word and they think that they better than us, then we're not going to progress. So with that being said, thanks for tuning in. I love you all. Have a good one. Peace.